name's Claire Gardner. I'm the Health, Safety and Training Manager, and I'm based at the Yeovil site. So I initially started as site administrator for Clean, worked within the office at Yeovil, dealing with payroll, HR paperwork, general site administration, looking after visitors on site, and dealing with the customer service centre. So before becoming the health and safety manager, the business put me through the IOSH Managing Safely 3-day course. This gave me a basic understanding of the importance of health and safety within the workplace. I like most about my job in health and safety the variety. Like I said, every day is varied. You never know what you're going to come into, what there is to deal with, but there's also a lot of planning and organising, which I also enjoy. For anybody wishing to follow the same path as me, the advice I would give them is that if you're hardworking, committed, and you're not afraid to learn multiple different things on a daily basis, then the team at Clean will support you in all ways they possibly can, making the possibilities endless.